Kitchen table decorating ideas. With so many types of kitchen tables out there, how do you choose? Much of your decision depends on the layout of your kitchen and how much space you have. In addition to the kitchen table's design and color, you'll also want to consider a wide variety of kitchen table design and decorating ideas. But first, let's talk size. Got a huge eat-in kitchen? Try a farmhouse table. These long, rustic tables come with a variety of leg styles, which can change their look from country to modern in the turn of a screw. They're also easy to build. Check out this simple, beautiful pine farmhouse table. Paint it a dark color, like black or navy. For a more contemporary kitchen, whitewash it or give it a pale pink hue for a country or cottage kitchen. Or, if you love the rustic look, simply stain the wood and let its beautiful tones come through. For smaller kitchens, pair a round, country-style table with mid-century modern chrome side chairs for an affordable take on the modern rustic trend. Or go the opposite direction and couple a sleek, lacquered table with wooden cafe chairs. Another classic is the bistro table, with its X-shaped stand and simple base, which fits every kitchen decor style. If you have room for a built-in, consider a banquet. These cushy cuties can have 2 benches or 1 bench paired with a variety of chairs. The second option is great if you only have space on one wall to build in a bench. Consider adding storage in the bottom of the bench, especially for small kitchens. Kitchen table decor is another thing to think about as you're buying your table. Are you a placemat person, or not? If so, look for mats in natural fibers like bamboo or jute. These are great in country, cottage, Asian and coastal kitchens. More formal, traditional kitchens work with fancier placemats in washable damask, jacquard or toile. Table runners add decorative appeal year-round, but especially at the holidays. Switch them out with the seasons. Burlap looks great in fall, for example, with candles and small pumpkins. For winter holidays, choose white, navy or crimson velvet with mercury glass candles or a beautiful family menorah. Finish your table off with a vase of flowers and candles, and it's ready for your next meal, the perfect way to make family and friends feel welcome.